So Ms. Adams, you're concerned that he could be arrested for failure to pay child support for a child that both of you have doubts is even his child.
True, Your Honor.
Mr. Adams, enlighten me on this situation.
You know, I met her at a house party. She tried to have sex with me on the first date, so that was a judge of character right there.
But you weren't in a committed relationship.
No, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Williams, when you met Mr. Adams, did you intend this to be a committed relationship?
I mean, no, when we was young at the time, we hooked up on and off, and you know, it just.
So it was just an on and off thing?
Yeah, it was just an on and off thing.
So if it wasn't committed during that time, were you also sleeping with other men as well?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Without using protection?
Yes.
And yet he's sitting now in Flint, Michigan, nervous that he could be arrested at any point for child support for a child everybody agrees may or may not be his.
I asked him twice to get the DNA test. He said, I'm hungover. He was giving me excuses, basically. So I took it upon myself. I said, I pay for the DNA test myself. You ain't got to come out of pocket. That part is not my fault.
And then during that time, you had to name who the potential father could be.
Yes, I did.
And you gave the state his name.
Yes, I did.
And then he was ordered to go to court.
Yes, he was.
Mr. Adams, did you go to court?
No, Your Honor.
So you didn't show up that day and you were deemed the father by default. And let me really keep it real. Because of your irresponsibility, you've created a situation where you might go to jail if this child turns out to be yours. What I want you to learn from this lesson is when the court calls, you got to answer. I'm not trying to make you the bad guy. Didn't even hear Ms. Williams try to make you a bad guy. What you are is in a bad situation because of bad decision. I think we're ready for the results. Pertaining to whether Mr. Adams is the father of 3-year-old John Jones, it has been determined that Mr. Adams is not the father.